Bonjour and welcome. Are you ready to add a little French flair to your daily routine? Today we're diving into the world of language learning, but with a twist, using Alexa as your guide. Let's learn some French together. Have you ever promised yourself you'd finally learn a new language, maybe even downloaded an app or bought a textbook but somehow never quite stuck with it? You're definitely not alone. Life gets busy, and sometimes traditional methods just don't fit into our schedules. But what if I told you that your Alexa device could make learning French easier, more convenient, and even a bit more fun? Imagine practicing your French while you go about your day, hands-free and stress-free. That's right, your Amazon Echo isn't just for playing music or setting timers. It can actually become your very own French tutor, right in your living room or kitchen. With Alexa, you can practice vocabulary, ask for translations, and even play interactive language games, all while making your morning coffee, folding laundry, or cooking dinner. It's like having a language coach who's always available, no matter how busy you are. The best part? It's genuinely fun and interactive. Instead of feeling like you're studying, it feels more like you're playing with cool technology. You'll be surprised at how quickly you pick up new words and phrases. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to turn Alexa into your personal French coach. So grab your device, get comfortable, and let's get started. C'est parti, your French adventure begins now. First, let's give Alexa her French superpowers. Open the Alexa app, tap More, then Skills and Games. Use the search bar and type Learn French. Browse the skills. Look for good reviews or fun names. Tap Enable to use on your favorites. Try a few different skills to see what you like. The more tools, the better. Now let's use those skills. Say, Alexa, open French Vocabulary Builder and start your daily lesson. These skills guide you, words, sentences, and repetition. Some connect to Duolingo so you can keep your streak going hands-free. Try different skills, some focus on vocab, others on grammar or pronunciation. Find what's fun for you. Consistency is key. Just a few minutes a day adds up. Imagine having a language expert right in your living room. Here's a real game changer for anyone curious about languages or traveling abroad. Meet Alexa, your instant, always-ready translator, available at the sound of your voice. Just ask, Alexa, how do you say "I love this movie" in French? Or any phrase you want to learn in another language. In seconds, she'll respond with the translation, J'adore ce film, and even pronounce it for you, so you can hear exactly how it should sound. Whether you need help with single words, full phrases, or just want to perfect your pronunciation, Alexa's got you covered. You can even use the Alexa app on your phone for translations on the go. Practice by repeating after Alexa as many times as you like. There's no rush, no judgment, just a supportive way to build your confidence. Make language learning part of your daily routine. Label household items, write your grocery list in a new language, or simply ask Alexa whenever curiosity strikes. It's a practical, interactive, and memorable way to learn. Give it a try, and you might just find yourself hooked on learning something new every day. Learning is way more fun with games. Enable skills like Word of the Day for quick daily vocab boosts. Quiz games test your knowledge. Ask, Alexa, open French quiz. Compete with family or friends for high scores. Games make learning feel like play, not work. The more you play, the more you learn, without even realizing it. Make it part of your routine. Consistency is tough, but Alexa's got your back. Set a daily reminder. Alexa, remind me to practice French at 7 p.m. Start small, just 5 or 10 minutes a day. Fit it into your routine while making coffee or before bed. The goal is to build a habit, not cram. As you get comfortable, increase your practice time. That daily nudge keeps you on track. Are you ready to take your language learning to the next level? Let's explore multilingual mode with Alexa, a feature designed to make practicing languages at home both fun and effortless. To get started, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Head over to Device Settings, tap on Language, and select Add a Language. For example, you can add French alongside English so Alexa can understand and respond in both languages. With multilingual mode enabled, Alexa seamlessly switches between English and French. You can ask a question in English, then immediately follow up in French, and Alexa will respond in the correct language every time. Try asking for the weather in English, then set a timer in French. This hands-on practice helps reinforce your language skills in real-life situations, making learning more natural and engaging. Multilingual mode brings real-world immersion right into your home. French becomes a part of your daily routine, whether you're cooking, studying, or spending time with family. It's a fantastic way to improve your listening skills and get comfortable switching between languages on the fly, building confidence as you go. So, whenever you feel ready, give Multilingual Mode a try and watch your language abilities grow every day. That's it. 6 easy, fun ways to learn French with Alexa. Don't just watch, pick one step and start today. Set a reminder, ask Alexa a French word, or play a game. Small daily actions lead to big results. Make learning enjoyable and you'll stick with it. Let Alexa be your always available practice partner. Thanks for watching. Au revoir et à bientôt.